हाय गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग के टॉप एमसीक्यूज जो पिछले एग्जाम में आए हुए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग्स कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क्स इज बिल्ड ऑन द टॉप्स ऑफ अनदर्स नेटवर्क्स? ऑप्शंस ए चिप्स नेटवर्क्स, बी प्राइम्स नेटवर्क्स, सी प्रायर नेटवर्क्स, डी ओवरले नेटवर्क्स। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस डी ओवरले नेटवर्क। Next question. Communication channels is shared by all the machines on the networks in options A unicast networks, B broadcast network, C multicast networks, D none of these. Right answer is options B broadcast network. Next question. Three or more device shares or links in dash connections. Options A multi-points, B points to point, C uni-points, D none of these. Right answer is options A multi-point. Next question. In computers networks, nodes are options A the computer that routes the data, B the computers that terminates the data, C the computers that originates the data, D all of these. Right answer is options D all of these. Next question. Bluetooth is an example of options A local area networks, B virtual private network, C personal area network, D none of these. Right answer is option C personal area network. Next question. Star bands provides options A cable access, B FTTH internet access, C telephone access, D satellites access. Right answer is options D satellite access. Next question. The physical layer concerns with option A process to process delivery, B applications to applications delivery, C bits by bits delivery, D none of these. Right answer is option C bits by bits delivery. Next question. Which one of the following is not a function of network's layer? Options A internetworking, B congestion control, C routings, D none of these. Right answer is options D none of these. Next question. The network's layers protocols of internets is called options A internet's protocol, B hypertext transfers protocol, C ethernets, D none of these. Right answer is options A internet protocol. Next question. Which one of the following is a data links protocol? Options A points to points protocols, B HDLC protocol, C ethernets, D all of these. Right answer is options D all of these. Next question. Transmissions control protocol is option A uses a three-way handshakes to establish a connections, B receive data from applications as a single stream, C connections oriented protocol, D all of these. Right answer is options D all of these. Next question. Transport layers protocols deal with options A process to process communications, B applications to applications communications, C nodes to nodes communications, D none of these. Right answer is options A process to process communications. Next question. Physicals or logical arrangements of networks is dash. Options A networkings, B routings, C topology, D none of these. Right answer is option C topology. Next question. This topology requires multi-points connections. Options A mesh, B star, C ring, D bus. Right answer is options D, bus connections. Next question. Multiplexing is used in dash. Options A, circuits switchings, B, data switchings, C, packet switchings, D, packets and circuit switching. Right answer is options A, circuit switching. Next question. Multiplexing can provide dash. Options A, anti-jamming, B, efficiency, C, privacy, D, both efficiency and privacy. Right answer is options D, both efficiency and privacy. Next question. What is firewalls in computer networks? Options A, web browsing software, B, operating systems, C, physical boundary of networks, D, system softwares to prevent unauthorized access. Right answer is options D, system software to prevent unauthorized access. Next question. TCP/IP models does not have dash. Options A, sections layer, B, networks layer, C, transports layer, D, applications layer. Right answer is options A, sections layer. Next question. A single channel is shared by multiple signals by dash. Options A, digital modulations, B, analog modulations, C, multiplexings, D, none of these. Right answer is option C, multiplexing. Next question. The dash is the physical path over which a message travels. Options A, protocol, B, path, C, mediums, D, route. Right answer is option C, medium. Next question. What is the locations of a resource on the internet given by? Options A, email, B, IP, C, protocol, D, URL. Right answer is options D, URL. Next question. Choose the ports numbers of file transfer protocol. Right answer is options B, 21. Next question. What is the length of the IPv4 address? Right answer is option C, 32 bits. Next question. What is the length of the IPv6 address? Right answer is options D, 128 bits. Next question. What is the terms used when the main server sends mails to another's mail server? Right answer is options B, SMTP. Next question. What is the ports numbers of SMTP? Right answer is option C, 587. Next question. What does MIME stands for? Right answer is options D, multipurpose internet mail extension. Next question. What does MAC stand for? Right answer is options A, media access control. Next question. What is the length of the MAC address? Right answer is options D, 48 bits. Next question. Which of the following is used to allocate and manage resources for a network? Options A, Bluetooth, B, servers, C, nodes, D, none of these. Right answer is options B, server. Thank you.